AI isn't just about writing text or generating images anymore. Behind the scenes, there are hidden AI features that can automate your workflow, save you hours per week, and even help you run a business without employees. But here's the problem. Most people only know tools like ChatGPT and Canva. They have no idea that AI can transcribe your voice notes, detect customer sentiment, generate standard operating procedures, automate your CRM, or respond to customer messages while you sleep. So today, you're going to discover 10 underrated AI features that entrepreneurs are quietly using to grow faster than their competitors. Let's dive in, because number 8 is insane. Hidden feature number 1. AI voice note transcription using tools like Otter.ai, Nata, and Fireflies. Entrepreneurs constantly think, in the car, in meetings, in voice notes, but those ideas get lost or forgotten. These tools record your voice, transcribe it, and summarize key action points automatically. This means you can turn a podcast into a blog post, turn a meeting into a standard operating procedure, turn a voice idea into a content script. Think about how much time you waste trying to remember what you said in a voice note or re-listening to a 30-minute recording just to find one detail. With AI transcription, you record once, and within seconds you have a written document with timestamps, summaries, and action items. This is a huge productivity booster that most entrepreneurs completely overlook. Hidden feature number 2. AI meeting assistants like Fireflies, .ai, Fathom, and TL.dv. These tools join your Zoom or Teams calls, take notes for you, summarize key decisions, and even assign tasks based on what was discussed. They literally become a digital assistant that sits in every meeting and handles the documentation for you. Most founders don't even know this exists. They're still manually typing notes during calls or trying to remember what was decided 3 meetings ago. With AI meeting assistants, you never miss a detail. Every conversation is recorded, transcribed, searchable, and organized. You can go back weeks later and find exactly what someone said, what was promised, or what action was agreed upon. This alone can save you 5 to 10 hours per week. Hidden feature number 3. AI CRM automation using HubSpot AI and Salesforce Einstein. CRM used to mean typing notes after every call, managing leads manually, and writing follow-up emails by hand. Now AI logs customer interactions automatically, drafts personalized emails for you, predicts which leads are most likely to convert, and schedules follow-ups without you lifting a finger. It's like having a free sales rep working around the clock. The AI analyzes your data, identifies patterns, and tells you which customers to prioritize, which deals are at risk, and what actions to take next. For small businesses and startups, this is game-changing. You get enterprise-level sales intelligence without needing a massive team. Hidden feature number 4. AI tax and bookkeeping using QuickBooks AI and Xero AI. These tools sort your receipts, categorize your spending, detect tax errors, and auto-prepare financial reports. Founders typically spend 20 to 40 hours per month on finance admin. AI can reduce that by 70%. Instead of manually entering expenses or trying to figure out which category something belongs to, the AI does it for you. It learns your patterns, flags anything unusual, and keeps your books clean and organized. Come tax time, instead of scrambling to gather documents, everything is already prepared. Your accountant gets a clean file, and you save thousands in fees. Hidden feature number 5. AI standard operating procedure builders like Tango and Scribe. How entrepreneurs struggle to document processes. You know how to do something, but writing it down step by step feels tedious and time-consuming. These tools record you while you perform a task on your computer, and boom, they generate screenshots, written steps, and complete guides automatically. This is perfect for scaling or outsourcing. You can train new team members without spending hours explaining everything. You can delegate tasks confidently because the process is documented. You can build a library of SOPs without the pain of actually writing them. If you've ever wanted to systematize your business but didn't know where to start, this is your answer. Hidden feature number 6, AI voice agents like Levity, Forethought, and TDO AI. These are customer service automation tools that can understand tone, respond naturally, escalate issues when needed, and analyze customer sentiment. Startups are replacing Tier 1 support with these AI agents. They handle common questions, troubleshoot basic problems, and only bring you in when something truly requires human attention. This means you can offer 24/7 support without hiring a team. Your customers get instant responses, and you're not waking up to 50 unanswered messages every morning. The AI learns from every interaction, so it gets better over time. It understands context, remembers past conversations, and provides personalized responses. Hidden feature number 7. AI workflow integrators like Zapier AI and Make AI. These tools now use AI to detect patterns, suggest automations, and build workflows using natural language. This unlocks automation for non-technical founders. You don't need to know how to code. You don't need to understand APIs. You just describe what you want, and the AI builds the automation for you. For example, you can say, whenever someone fills out my contact form, add them to my CRM, send them a welcome email, and create a task for me to follow up in 3 days. The AI sets it all up. This is how solo entrepreneurs compete with teams. They automate everything that doesn't require their personal touch. Hidden feature number 8. AI hiring assistants like HireEZ, Paradox AI, and Humanly. These tools screen applicants, analyze resumes, identify the best matches, and automate interview scheduling steps. Startups are hiring faster without paying recruiters or spending weeks reviewing applications. The AI reads every resume, scores candidates based on your criteria, asks pre-screening questions, and presents you with only the top candidates. You skip straight to the final interviews with people who are already qualified. This is insane when you think about how much time and money companies waste on hiring. With AI, you cut that process in half and still get better results. Hidden feature number 9. AI contract and legal assistants like Harvey.ai and Spellbook AI. You upload legal documents, and the AI rewrites them, flags risks, drafts alternative versions, and suggests protective clauses. Law firms are already using this internally, and now founders can too. Instead of paying a lawyer $500 an hour to review a contract, you use AI to do the first pass. It identifies problems, suggests changes, and helps you understand what you're signing. You still want a lawyer for critical deals, but for everyday contracts, NDAS, service agreements, the AI handles it. This saves thousands while keeping you protected. Hidden feature number 10. AI business voice command systems using Notion AI, ClickUp AI, and Command Bar AI. You literally say what you want. Plan my week based on deadlines. Turn this meeting into a roadmap. Draft an onboarding standard operating procedure. And AI executes it. This turns productivity tools into intelligent business operating systems. You're not clicking through menus or setting up complex systems. You're just telling the AI what you need, and it does it. This is where AI is heading. Less manual work, more intelligent assistance. You focus on strategy and decisions. AI handles execution and organization. Here's the final message. Entrepreneurs who know these hidden AI features move faster, scale without hiring large teams, spend less money, and produce more output. AI is no longer just a creativity tool. It's becoming a full back-end employee. It handles admin, operations, customer service, documentation, analysis, everything that used to require hiring someone. The winners are already using these tools. The rest don't even know they exist. And that gap is widening every single month. The entrepreneurs who adopt AI workflows now will be years ahead of those who wait. So don't just use AI for writing and images. Use it to run your business. Use it to automate systems. Use it to replace expensive services. Start exploring these tools today. Test them. Integrate them. Build your AI-powered business infrastructure. Because in 5 years, every successful entrepreneur will be doing this. The question is whether you'll be leading or catching up. If you want more hidden AI tools, business strategies, and future skills, hit subscribe. Let's stay ahead together.